Hey everyone, this video guys, I'm going to be showing you how you can use Google Gemini to create a Python script that you can use in FreeCAD.
Hey everyone, do not forget to hit that subscribe button to join the Solving Engineer community, okay? And now, let's get started.
Okay, so this is an example of a sphere. I used Google Gemini to create a sphere script. Then I copy and paste this script in FreeCAD to get a sphere like this 3D model, okay? And now, are you ready to learn how to do this? Okay, so the first thing that you need to do here is to click on the link mentioned in the description box below to visit Google Gemini, or you type on Google Gemini and then create an account to start using this app. Okay, so once you get this user interface, you come here and you click on the use microphone command. Then I'm gonna write here, hi Google Gemini, can you please create for me a Python script of a sphere, and I want to use this Python script in FreeCAD. Okay, thanks. You click on this use microphone, then you click on submit. So you wait for a few seconds so that Google Gemini will create for you a Python script of a sphere. Okay, and the radius by default is 10 millimeter. Okay, so I'm gonna copy this code. I'm gonna go to FreeCAD. I'm gonna go to View, Panels, then turn on the Python console option. Then I'm gonna paste the code here, right? Click Fit All. Then as you can see here on the screen, this is how you can create a sphere of 10 millimeter radius using a Python script created in Google Gemini. Thank you guys for watching, and do not forget to hit that subscribe button to catch you next time on the Solving Engineer Business. See you next time.